The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds. Retold by Svetlana. Vashti can't draw. In art class, her paper was empty. Her teacher told Vashti to just make a mark. Vashti grabbed a marker and gave the paper a good, strong jab. Her teacher tells Vashti to then sign her paper. Vashti signs the paper, thinking, I can't draw, but I can sign my name. The next time she went to art class, she saw her dot all framed in swirly gold. Vashti thought, I can draw a better dot than that. She then opened her never-before-used set of paint. Will Vashti learn to draw, or will she never learn to draw? Read the dot to find out at the Hoover Library.